What is up, guys? If you're new, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. And for today's video, if you read that title, today, I know this is Song Association Sunday, but my guest couldn't do it today, so I had to do what I do best, eat. So for today's video, if you read that title, today we're going to be eating 100 chicken nuggets in 10 minutes, well, attempting to. I'm not sure I could do it. I never did this challenge before, and if I can't, then I can't. But if I can, I think I can. I eat a lot on a daily. You know, I'm a grown boy. I'm 6'3". But should we just get right into this video? I got 10 minutes to eat all these nuggets. I'm gonna pull the nuggets right here. I don't know if y'all can see them all. I'm gonna shoot the thumbnail first, you know. And then we gonna start eating. It's like a mukbang, but like chicken nuggets. Okay, let's get right into this video. I hope I'm in frame. I hope all this record, cause it ain't no backseats. You only get 100 chicken nuggets in one. Sorry, I had to shoot the thumbnail. Okay, 10 minutes set. I'm gonna put a timer on there too. I'm scared. Let me grab my Sprite. Not sponsored, hashtag should be. Okay. 3. Hold on, let me open up a sauce first. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Not any more to go. Sorry if I was disgusting. It's nasty. It's nasty after a while. I don't want to throw up. I don't know how people do it. Try not to throw up. More room. I need the Wendy's barbecue sauce. Oh, that's cold on my balls. I just spilled my juice on my balls. Mm. Oh. I was gonna throw that up. I'd rather spit it out. This box overcooked. I'm gonna eat that last. That one over. Oh my goodness. Hurry up. It's getting worse and worse. I still got time. I keep thinking about baby chickens. I can't do this. I seen this on the reaction shit where she dipped it and ate it. Wrong box. Could you give me a rag?
Yeah.
I'm trying, y'all. I'm sorry. It's nasty.
So just leave this so we walk it back.
Not this bag. You got stuff in it. I need like those bags.
Come here. Stop being picky.
Mm-hmm.
And eat all your chicken nuggets. They ain't even ate it right. We just gonna go clean up the poop because the lady followed us around the block and said we left poop on her step. It was in there. It's trash.
How?
Oh.
But I don't got the stomach for this. I only got 2 minutes left and a whole lot about. They left out. But I ain't no quitter. Mama ain't raised no big. What's your leg? Cleanse my palate. I wasted half this box, but who gonna check me? I only got 1,040,000 seconds. I can't get. I'm sorry, it get worse. If I can finish a whole box in a minute, I could add 5 more minutes. Congratulations, you failed and you're a loser. Whoa. I really thought I could do it, y'all. I have failed all my fat people. If we counting up, out of 100, I ate 30. Don't mind the spit out ones. I'm still counting them. But out of 100, I ate 30. So, should we calculate if that's a passing grade? I doubt it. That's not even 50. But, let me see. No, I just want the calculator. Oh, I'm dumb. That would be 30%. 30 is better than 0. 30 is better than 20. I'm sorry, I couldn't stomach it. I got a weak stomach. I don't know why I even tried this. I'm sorry, my fat people. I have failed all of you guys. But this food will not go to waste. It's a bunch of fat people in here that like chicken nuggets and sauce. No fries, no drinks, just chicken nuggets and sauce. Well, that's it for me. I got school Monday. I don't need to die. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that post notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which is right Thursday, and a bonus video throughout the week. I'm not going to say which most likely Sunday because it's a bonus video. Like, I can post it any day of the week. So, yeah, I love you guys. Road to 5,000 subscribers. First road to 2.8K. We are basically there, but, you know. Love you guys. Peace. Oh, that was horrible.